There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Ah! What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Chip, chip, chip. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no more birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome.